it's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. I forgot to point out, check it out. I got new flowers. I was at Dollar Tree today. I got a couple of pots. I actually already put them outside already for like $1. And I picked up some more flowers for my background. But today I was going to say unbox, but I'm not unboxing it. I'm unegging it. I'm cracking the egg open. This is the Glossybox egg. It's actually kind of already open because everything doesn't fit right, but I really love the eggs. It's a pink, it's got kind of a gold little splatter on there, but it makes a really nice Easter decoration. Easter Sunday coming up. And you get this cute little card. Check this out. And you can get, I didn't get one, I peeked, a golden ticket. And if you get a golden ticket, you get a Ferrero, um, some sort of, I thought it was a bear you got. It doesn't really say in here what you get. I don't know. If you get a golden ticket, you get a prize. I thought it was a bear. Why am I thinking a bear? Anyway, I didn't get one. So anyway, this is the card that comes with it. The egg was $25. With tax, I think it was like 29. Does that sound right? I think so. So anyway, cute little egg. I'm going to pop my top here, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So the first thing I got, I wish I could see this card. I need bifocals so bad. Bumble and Bumble. I actually love Bumble and Bumble. I did get the Surf Infusion. This is, the full size is actually 29. I got the trial size for 17. This is actually an oil and salt infused spray. I do like a good salt spray in the summer. There's nothing better than like a salt spray for your hair. So, ooh, it smells good too. It smells like the ocean. So that's always fun. I'll use this up. I like my Elastine products, but I do sometimes include a few other ones in there. I like this because it smells like the ocean though. So I got that. Next up, I got the Pearl. Check it out here. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. This is a daily skin mask, $3 value. Probably use this. Is this a peel off? It's a brightening sleeping mask. I don't know. I might gift this one. Probably gift that. I don't usually use sleeping masks. I don't know why. It kind of bugs me to have stuff on my face at night. I use cream, but I don't like a full mask. I don't know. It feels weird. Mascara. I got, oh my gosh, this is big. Look at this. This is the Grande Cosmetics Conditioning Peptide Mascara, $25 value. I will be keeping this. 93% said it didn't clump. 94% saw healthier lashes. It can't be okay, it's not like this huge. There we go. Pretty gold though. Look at that. That's pretty. I go through so much mascara. Smaller wand though. Look at that. I don't know why the wand seems smaller. I use a ton of mascara. Literally now, since the pandemic, I feel like I'm changing out my mascara even more. I go through I literally keep my mascara now for 2 weeks and I toss it. I know it's probably weird. It's just a thing with me that I don't like to keep mascara very long. And because I have so many, I can do that. So it doesn't bother me. Bioderma, the Sensio Bio Foaming Gel. Let me see. Oh, right here. Check it out. You can't see it, of course, because of my lights. There we go. Is this it? Doesn't look like it, though. Why does this look different? Okay, this is confusing me. I wonder if they substituted. So this is a pink product, and then this is white and blue. This is Intensive Balm. Ultra Soothing Balm. I think I think they substituted this. That's okay, though. I'll gift that. That's probably something someone else would want. Wander Beauty. We did get the full size. Check this one out. This is the Dive In Moisturizer. $36 value. 72 hours of deep hydration with this lightweight formula. I don't know. I might try this. I like Wander Beauty stuff, so that was nice. And then we got the Elmis. This is the Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask. I always love a good mask. I've used Elmis in the past. The sample size is $27, full size 78. So that's a pretty high-end product. And then finally, we got, this is actually pretty. It is, I think this is a hand lotion. Is that what this is? Hand cream, yay! So this is, I'll give this to my mom, $10.99, lavender and angelica hand cream. That's pretty. Let me see what this smells like. Is it sealed? It is sealed. I'm going to open this one up. Let me see here. Oh, that's nice. You know what I like about this, you guys? It's very thin. So it doesn't feel greasy at all. Wow, I'm actually really loving this. Matches my shirt today. um, it's a bouquet, lavender bouquet, 96% natural origin. I don't know, I'm kind of liking this. I really like that it's like kind of smooth. I don't know. I think I'm either keeping this. I'll give it to my mom. We can share it. I'll set it on her desk. So anyway, got a little egg. No golden egg in here, but I got some fluff here. Now my egg is going to fit nicely together. Boy, it snapped together nice. And that's a cute little Easter decoration. So I'm super excited about that. I always get that every year from Glossybox. I think it's cute. I think Glossybox does a really good job at any of their limited edition products. I did not get the advent calendar this year over Christmas, and I really wish I had because that was nice. I'll try to get that again this year, but liking my egg. My referral code below. I believe with the referral code, yes, you get a 20% discount, and then I earn up to $15 per successful referral as an account credit. So I will put that if you're interested in Glossybox. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.